Hi, I'm Betsy of Betsy's Best, and welcome to my home. We continue to celebrate the 12 days of Christmas, and today I'm going to give you some great ideas on a healthy food basket that you could easily prepare at home and send to your loved ones. Why not give the gift of good health, and why not pair some unique food items that your friends and family can use with a Betsy's Best Gourmet Nut Butter? So these are some companies I've learned and met throughout my years of being a dietitian and food entrepreneur, and I've become really good friends with them and found some really unique ways that we can combine our Betsy's Best along with some of these food items. One of my favorites is peanut butter and jelly. I think it's every kid's favorite. I still eat it as an adult, as probably you do too. And why not pair it with a chia seed based fruit spread? These are all natural, low sugar. They're loaded with chia seeds and goes great with any of my Betsy's Best combinations. So PB&J, AB&J, CB&J, SB&J. You can't go wrong with a jelly and a nut butter sandwich. This also goes well with the Angelic bread crisps. I create these PB&J gourmet experiences with these. They're tiny little bread crisps that are sprouted grain. You can easily top it with one of my nut butters. You can add the jam or preserve on top, and I even sprinkle a little lavender or mint and make it really a gourmet experience. So Angelic bread crisps, you can find it on this link below. The other one I like to use is called the Wrawp. This is actually a Wrawp company. They have a coconut nori wrap, which is just coconut as the ingredient. They also have a coconut and a strawberry one, which is fantastic with a banana and a peanut butter and jelly rolled up. And they even have these savory wraps. They come in a few different flavors. The original, they have a, the morning one, which is kind of more fruit blended. And the savory one, I actually put my cashew cardamom butter in and wrap it with some veggies. And the fruit one, you could easily add a banana and some fruit preserve from World of Chia fruit spread and make a breakfast wrap in the morning. The other one, if you're looking at a morning breakfast, is this company Koya. They come with a dehydrated, powderized fruit and or vegetable blend. This one is raspberry. They also have spinach, they have kale, they have a mango. They blend easily into a smoothie to do a breakfast smoothie or a smoothie bowl in the morning. You could stir it into yogurt to kind of flavor it that way. So this always makes a great addition into any type of smoothie or food item. The other one I love is this is actually by a registered dietitian entrepreneur as well. These are protein balls. This is a chocolate coconut peanut butter, which is delicious on its own. I actually like to take it and add it into yogurt, or if we're having a treat at home and making dessert, I'll chop these into little chunks like cookie dough and then drizzle my gourmet nut butter over the top for an amazing ice cream sundae. So these are some of my homemade finds that I love to put in my healthy gift baskets. You can certainly put your own combination, but don't forget your Betsy's Best. So from my kitchen to yours, have a happy and healthy holiday.